we are Jennifer, Gaby, Daniel, Felipe, and Adrián, and we're taking the subject of project and process management at Tecnológico Monterrey. Throughout the course, we're working on improving a process based on actual needs of the student life within our institution. Students who live in Tech Campus Monterrey's residencies are hardly being responded quickly when having difficulties and maintenance problems in the rooms. These problems can range from a burnout bulb to wireless network problems. Therefore, it is our goal to assist the residency's management to solve its maintenance problems that are reported by its residents, speeding up the process from the receiving of complaints and following up to the report to completely solving the problem. All this is to provide better customer service and attract future students. Because approximately 50% of the student population is from foreign origin, Campus Monterrey offers to these students a development environment. It has 15 different buildings where students can relax, study, and live practically on campus. After making a visit to residencies and doing full-on research and interviews with the general management, residents, assistants, and students, we identified an efficient process, which is the attention to maintenance complaints. This process is inefficient due to excessive delay from a time a complaint is received and a solution to it is given. Therefore, we feel that the department should speed up the process of maintenance for residents using the tools we have later in this course. First step, we accomplished a project specification. Also, we designed a work breakdown structure which helped us to decompose the project into smaller components. These steps were established where planning, gathering information, process development, and finally presentations of results. Then we created a Gantt chart that showed us the current status of the activities and helped us being organized and stay on time. This begins with a resident filing a complaint form which is received by the RA. If the RA decides to classify the form in an urgent matter, the form is sent to the complaint reception desk. But if the RA decides it's not urgent enough, the form is put on hold until more like complaints are received. When the form finally goes through, it is received by the complaint reception desk. There the form is selected if it requires specific treatment with the physical plant staff or if it doesn't. If the form requires help from the physical plant staff, it is sent directly to that staff. If it doesn't need for the complaint, it is attended by the maintenance personnel depending on the number of complaints they have on hold. If the complaint reaches the physical plant staff, it reviewed if it needs extra material that is not yet on inventory. When the material is finally stock, then the staff proceeds to attend the inquiry. If it's supposed to be that the final phase is when the resident's complaint has been fully attended, and if it's not, another form is sent to the RA. Analyzing the actual process, we noticed that certain activities and steps didn't add value to the customer and actually wasted time in the customer perceived as unnecessary. There are fundamentally important changes that make the to-be process more efficient in time saving and resources. We can quickly notice that we eliminated the RA interface from the process because it took too much time in sending the complaint forms to the complaint reception desk. We now believe in concentrating the reception of complaints in a single help desk. We can now see that this process is more efficient and time-saving than the previous one by eliminating the RA resource and putting the customer first in a direct contact help desk. A time study was made in each of the process steps to obtain the lead time. We proved that the new to-be process is realized in an approximated time of 1 to 2 days, but the assess process delayed until 4 days. At the beginning, we thought that it was going to be simple, but throughout all the making of the project, we learned that actually there's a lot of planning involved in the improvement of a process, and it's not that easy to stay organized with the timing of the activities, and at most important to have an efficient communication with our team. Something that we did well was our quick response to failure. For example, after getting some low notes, we quickly acted and started doing group meetings and going to counseling with Ingrid, which had a positive outcome in our last grade. We should have better communication since the beginning among our team members and carefully read the evaluation criteria for each activity with the objective of getting a better grade and improving the process for our client, which was our end goal.
Created using Powtoon.